I washed my hair. It was nice and thick. Look at this body that I have going on here. Fresh and so clean. Yes, I had a little bit of slippage on the edges, but I decided I was going to retie my hair after a week of washing it, but I did it the very next day. So I did the front first, and I was like, wow, I have a long way to go. Just that side. I did only the front, and I didn't do the back yet, not in this clip here. Still nice and full, but we'll get to it. Here it is, the full retie. Like I said, I had some slippage around my edges, but I took care of that. And man, it felt really good. My hair didn't shrink as much as I thought it was going to shrink, but I'm happy about that. I mean, it's still looking nice and thick, fresh, no oil on my scalp. Still just using water. So let's talk about my routine that I've been doing with these Microlocs. I haven't done much. As I said, if you watch my other videos, I decided to do Microlocs over sister locks because of, number one, price. And then secondly, why not? I could do it myself, so I did. My regimen for the morning time is usually I take off my bonnet and put my hair in a ponytail, top bun or something, a high ponytail, and take a shower and keep it moving. This has been one of the most refreshing, non-committed, but no. This has been one of the most the easiest hairstyle I've ever had in my life. Yeah. I do have to say, I haven't tried a lot of styles with my Microlocs right now. I just like the way it flows when it's hanging down. I have had it in a ponytail, and I've had it in two ponytails. I think I saw that in some of the video. If you haven't, I'm gonna post more after this. And that's pretty much what I've done. My hair has stayed soft, and I love that my curls are still thriving. You know, my hair is not fully locked in. I'm mature to that yet, but in the process, I've learned that it's not shrinking as much as I thought it was going to shrink, which is fine with me. So if it decides to shrink later on in this month, wonderful. If not, wonderful. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my journey thus far. It's only been 1 month. I don't really have anything. I put it in like 5 plaits, 5 braids in my hair, and then washed it in the shower. I didn't put rubber bands on the end. I didn't think I needed to, and I didn't. I had to retie some of my edges in the front, maybe about like 4 or 5 of them in the front, and a few in the back. But watching other videos that were saying that, you know, there was slippage back there, I kept kind of in the last 4 weeks keeping track of, you know, just filling back there, see if there was any slippage, and if there was, I was retying them a little earlier if I felt like they were rubbing or coming untied. So I didn't have much to redo back there. Pretty much after I shampooed my hair, some of them came out, but it wasn't a lot, more like 4 or 5 or something like that. I'm still just using water, just water on my hair, that's it. No products, no oils. Again, I have fine hair and medium density, and I just don't like the way oils make my hair fall. And as you can see, this just moves. It moves rather well without it. I may just put a little bit of oil on my scalp. I'll probably use the olive oil braiding oil that comes in a green bottle. I'll show you guys if I have time to run downstairs and get it. If not, I'll just put the description in the description box. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking a look at it. When I say it, my Microlocs, I hope this has been helpful as you're looking at the journey. If you look at my other videos, you'll see where I started. My next update, it'll be in a month's time. So it'll be probably the end of September when I do another update in about 4 more weeks, see where this Microloc thing is going, how the journey is going. If you want to find out or you want notification, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button and you'll get to see what my hair is doing. If you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Questions or comments, or let me know how your journey is going for fine hair. That's basically it. And if you want me to try anything or suggest anything for me, I'll be more than happy to look at it, read it, and just see where we go from there. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and stay locked in.